Hi, I'm Belinda Carli, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a totally organic lotion. Even the emulsifier and the preservative is organic. So let me show you how it's made. This is the emulsifier we're going to use here. It's the organic emulsifier blend. It's a blend of rice bran extract, the proteins and lipids from that, with guar gum, so it makes a very interesting emulsifier. Now you can use this to make creams and lotions. I'm going to show you how to make the lotion today, but you can also make a cream version by using more of the emulsifier. It simply sets a little bit more cream-like for you. You can see that's totally cream-like, it's not running anywhere. One of the things we need to do with this emulsifier to make sure it helps stabilize up to 20% oil is process it properly. So the first thing I want to show you is with any formula that we want to say is 100% organic, we need to make sure that the water portion is also organic. And we can use organic hydrosols for this, or we can use a reconstituted aloe. Now in this case I have a 200 times reconstituted aloe powder. So in this formula I'm going to reconstitute it as the very first step in all available water, so that then I can treat this water portion as reconstituted aloe vera juice instead. Now this is really important if you're going to certify your product with an organic certifier. They do require that you reconstitute your organic aloe vera at the very first step to comply with their rules. To this, I'm just going to add some organic glycerin. And then I'm going to start heating this and mixing it. Now to activate this emulsifier, I do need to add it to water that is heated and maintains its heat at around 50 to 60 degrees for at least an hour while being stirred. So I'm just going to set that up and then we'll get this mixing. Now at 55 to 60 degrees, I'm not going to get evaporation, so I don't have to worry about that. I just need to make sure I maintain that temperature, not too hot, not too cold, and continue this mixing for an hour. Once you've been mixing that product for an hour at this set temperature, we then need to give it a little stir. At this stage, it's nearly fully hydrated. You can see there's just a couple of little clumps that we need to continue to break up. So we just need to continue stirring now for another hour, and then we can add the oil phase. Now that it's been thoroughly mixed, it is now a very smooth mixture to work with. Now I can add my oil phase and stir it through, and it will be stabilized by this emulsifier. So to this I'm just going to add an equivalent of 10% jojoba oil. Now I'm using the jojoba oil because in this formula I'm making it 100% organic ingredients. It's also palm free. Now I'm using the jojoba oil because jojoba oil will never oxidize, so I don't need an antioxidant. Once I've formed my emulsion, I can now remove it from the heat. Now to make sure this is an organic product, I can even use an organic preservative. Derm Organics 1388 is an organic preservative. Now I should make sure I pack this product into airless packaging to help make sure I'm getting the best performance out of that preservative, but it helps me make the claim that the product is 100% organic. I'm also going to use an organic extract as my active. I have Maritec Reverse here. It is an organic material and it helps make sure I get excellent efficacy out of my finished product using an organic material. Once that's mixed through, I just need to check and adjust the pH. And there I have my finished product. As I mentioned before, you can use up to 4% and you will get this cream consistency. You can see that's quite a good cream consistency. I have made it with 2% to check how well it would be stable, which it's a very stable formula with the 10% oil. You can use more than that if you want, but it does finish off as a nice serum or lotion-like consistency. I personally found at 4% it felt just a little bit tacky and the underlying gum smell was a little hard to cover. At 2% there was absolutely no tackiness. It was a beautifully silky product to apply, felt beautiful on the skin, no residual greasiness or tackiness, and you could easily cover any underlying scent of the finished product. Now, of course, you could use other organic oils if you want. You can also add organic extracts or other organic actives. I use the organic jojoba oil because it will never oxidize, which means I didn't need to add any antioxidant, so that I could make a truly 100% organic product. But if you use other organic lipids or oils, please make sure you add a small input of antioxidant to help protect your formula from potential oxidation. But just remember then, it's no longer 100% organic, even adding that small amount of naturally derived tocopherol. Well, that's how to create a 100% organic cream or lotion. I might also mention this is also vegan friendly and palm free. You can contact us for full formulation and raw material details. Please give the video a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!